Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create some glam DIY candle holders using mirrored mosaic tiles and total down with brooches. Now if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. Let's get to crafting. Now for this DIY, you guys, we're using this Dollar Tree Hurricanes. These Dollar Tree, these are the 7-inch cylinders. My Rust-Oleum 2x coverage gloss white spray paint, these total dazzled brooches, and this mirrored mosaic tile. And we're gonna paint these pieces and we'll be right back. And my pieces are painted, and what I'm going to do first, I'm going to add my mirror mosaic tile. And you guys, this mirror mosaic tile is actually from bbcraft.com. This portion of the video is sponsored by bbcraft. So I'm just going to add on the mirror mosaic tile and create the design that I do want on my candle holder. To you guys, if you're messing with mirror mosaic tile, always check the quality of the tile, because a lot of times the glass has shards and shears from them cutting it. And normally what I do is, this is a tip you guys, when you receive your mirror mosaic tile, normally if it comes in a bundle, all the pieces came from the same cutting pattern. So normally if that top piece or that first piece has shard glass in it or it's broken throughout that package that you receive, it is normally that way. Keep that in mind. To you guys, when we do add get ready to add the brooches to this piece, the brooches are from Total Dazzle. I'm dropping that link in my description as well. Always check my description box, because it is always some useful information in that description, but you'll always see my affiliate links and my discount codes. And please don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY. Here on Glam Queen of DIY, you get glam, over the top, and high-end DIYs, a little bit of home renovations. If that sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe. Also like, comment, and share out the videos. We appreciate it so very much. Hey you guys, if you would like to see this DIY style, make sure you go check out Glam Queen of Decor. The link is down in the description. Now this has completed my glam DIY candle holders using mirrored mosaic tiles and total dazzle brooches. If you like this DIY, drop me a comment. I hope you enjoyed what I created. Make sure you come back to see what I have in store for you. And before closing out, if you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, do that. Also check out Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.